Welcome to the Wonder Garden channel. Here, I will share with you methods for caring for orchids using natural ingredients, easy to implement, and completely safe for the plants. Today, I will guide you through a very special method of growing orchids, one where the plants don't need frequent watering, yet can still thrive, stay lush green, and bloom vibrantly. With just simple, readily available ingredients from your kitchen, you can create an ideal environment for orchids without spending too much time on daily care. This method is perfect for busy people who love orchids but have limited time. Let's get started. These are 2 orchids I bought at a store for just $5 for both. After bringing them home, I was too busy and neglected them for a while. Surprisingly, today I noticed that both plants have sprouted a few new leaves. This shows that the plants still have strong vitality, and this is the stage where they need abundant nutrients to recover and continue growing. The first thing I need to do is remove all the old moss. Moss is a growing medium commonly used in nurseries because it retains moisture very well, but if the watering amount is not properly controlled, this high moisture can cause root rot, stem rot, and weaken the plant. Therefore, before starting the recovery process, ensure the plant is completely separated from the old moss to avoid the risk of disease from decayed or bacteria and fungus-containing medium. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After completely removing the old moss from around the base, the next step is to inspect and cut away all the rotten, dry, or non-functional roots that can no longer absorb nutrients. This is a crucial step because damaged roots not only fail to nourish the plant, but can also be a source of disease for healthy roots. I will use sterilized specialized scissors to ensure no bacteria spread during the trimming process. Cut decisively and neatly, avoiding damage to the healthy roots. Removing damaged roots will help the plant focus on developing new, healthier roots, creating a solid foundation for recovery and future blooming. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Finally, to ensure the plant is clean and free of dust, bacteria, or remnants of the old growing medium clinging to the stem and roots, I will rinse the entire plant under running water. This process not only makes the plant cleaner, but also soothes the fresh cuts made during root trimming. You should rinse gently to avoid further damaging the remaining roots. Clean, flowing water will help wash away any lingering pathogens, creating the most favorable conditions for the next treatment step, and ensuring the orchid has a healthy new start. After the plant has been thoroughly cleaned, I will let it drain and prepare for treatment. Next, to treat the orchid roots after cleaning, I will use 3 tablespoons of rice. Rice contains many B group vitamins, especially B1, along with potassium, calcium, and phosphorus, essential components that stimulate root and flower bud development, promoting faster orchid bud growth and effective plant recovery. I add 500 milliliters of clean water to the rice, stirring well to allow the nutrients from the rice to begin dissolving into the water. Cover and soak for 1 hour. The second ingredient is 1 fresh aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera is not only a skin beautifying plant, but also a highly effective natural growth stimulant for plants. Aloe vera sap contains calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and even vitamin B12, nutrients that are crucial for root development and the orchid's blooming ability. Additionally, aloe vera juice has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, helping the plant combat root rot, fungi, and harmful insects. After chopping the aloe vera into small pieces, I will place the prepared aloe vera into a blender. Add 500 milliliters of water and blend thoroughly to obtain the juice. During the blending process, valuable nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and bioactive enzymes in the aloe vera will be fully released, ensuring the solution achieves maximum effectiveness when used for the orchid. Once the aloe vera is finely blended, I will strain it carefully through a sieve to completely remove the pulp, keeping only the pure juice. Next, I will thoroughly mix the 2 solutions, the rice water and the aloe vera juice prepared earlier. When combined, these 2 natural nutrient sources complement each other, providing a complete supply of minerals, vitamins, and essential nutrients for the plant to recover quickly. Finally, I will dilute the mixture by adding 2 liters of clean water. Dilution makes the solution safer for the orchid's roots, preventing fertilizer shock or the accumulation of mineral salts in the growing medium. Next, I will soak the entire root system of the orchid in the diluted rice water and aloe vera solution. This soaking process allows the nutrients to penetrate directly into the roots, providing immediate energy for the plant during the recovery phase after repotting or root trimming. I will let the plant soak in this solution for about 30 minutes. During this time, the roots will begin to absorb water and minerals, creating a strong foundation for the plant to recover quickly, stay healthy, and prepare for the next growth phase. Next, I will pour a portion of the solution into a spray bottle. We use this solution to provide nutrients directly through the leaves, one of the fastest and most effective care methods. Aloe vera has excellent absorption properties, helping the orchid leaves optimally absorb nutrients from the rice water. Meanwhile, both rice water and aloe vera contain many B group vitamins, minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and natural acids and enzymes. After spraying this solution onto the entire leaf surface, I will use a soft cotton pad to gently wipe each leaf again. This wiping ensures that the solution is evenly and deeply absorbed into the leaf surface, while also removing any remaining dust, making the leaves more airy and able to absorb nutrients more effectively. Clean leaves also help the plant photosynthesize more efficiently, boosting its resistance and promoting better growth in the natural environment. This is a gentle but essential care step to keep the orchid healthy and vibrant. While waiting for the plant to soak in the solution, I will use this time to prepare the planting pot. Today I choose to reuse a large plastic canister like this, both cost-saving and environmentally friendly. Next, I will use a smaller plastic pot to place on top of the canister, mark it, and cut 2 round holes to fit the bottom of the pot. This design creates a water reservoir below, helping to maintain humidity for the plant without the need for frequent watering. And so I have completed making a simple, effective, and easy-to-do semi-hydroponic pot at home. After 30 minutes of soaking in the nutrient solution, I will gently remove the orchid from the solution. At this point, the roots have been disinfected and supplemented with nutrients, making them ideal for replanting. I will use pine bark that has been sterilized with boiling water and drained as the growing medium. Pine bark is one of the most preferred mediums for growing orchids because it has good drainage, provides aeration, and does not retain water for too long, helping to prevent root rot. I place the orchid in the center of the pot, gently spreading pine bark around to secure the plant's base. During the planting process, I will ensure the plant is stable so that the new roots have optimal conditions to grow and firmly anchor into the medium. The solution used for soaking the roots earlier will now be used to water the 2 newly planted pots. Before placing the plant pot into the large plastic canister, pour water into the bottom of the canister, making sure to add just enough water so that when the pot is placed inside, the water only covers about one part of the pot's base. This is crucial to create an ideal semi-hydroponic environment, sufficiently moist but not causing root rot. This semi-hydroponic planting method is extremely effective because you no longer have to worry about watering the plant frequently. The water vapor from the reservoir below will naturally evaporate and provide continuous humidity to the growing medium. This helps maintain stable moisture around the roots while stimulating them to grow vigorously, white and healthy. These are orchids I've applied the same semi-hydroponic method to, but using smaller plastic bottles. Even without using expensive materials, the orchids have grown very robustly, especially with their root systems developing long, white, healthy roots that spread widely in the growing medium. This demonstrates that, when provided with stable humidity and a suitable airy environment, orchids can thrive without requiring excessive care. The roots avoid waterlogging due to the air layer between the water and the growing medium, while still maintaining sufficient moisture to absorb nutrients. This is the ideal environment for the plant's recovery and sustainable growth. This method not only saves effort, but also helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively, enabling it to produce new shoots, grow new leaves, and prepare for the next vibrant blooming season. What do you think about this simple yet effective orchid growing method? Please share your thoughts in the comments section below so everyone can learn and exchange experiences. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel to stay updated with completely natural and easy to do orchid care tips at home. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.